The panel discussion I facilitated was about efficiency in the biome, specifically looking at soil and water, climate change impact that is going to have on potato farming in future. We had a soil scientist, a climate change scientist. We had a perspective from a farmer who could give us actual practical information on the ground. And then also somebody from Cosmocell who does specific analysis in nutrient requirements for potatoes. And the overarching message that has come through is that risks are increasing. Mostly as a result of climate change, we're going to see a lot more weather variability, which relates to higher heat stress for plants, more water stress for plants. And as much as what all these things are difficult to predict and to control, there are still measures that farmers that can put in place to mitigate that risk. What is important though is that intensive management is going to become critical. It's no longer an issue of working out a production plan for the year and following it. You need real-time updates of weather to understand when there's going to be potential higher than expected rainfall, when there's going to be heat stress, and then have a look at what products are available that mitigates that stress. We've seen a lot of development in the biological space in terms of biostimulants that assist plants in managing heat stress, and of course the optimal uptake of nutrients so that the plants are stronger and resilient. Part of that intensive management means that farmers need to have real-time information about what is happening on the ground. We're seeing better and better technology in terms of weather stations that can more accurately predict what is happening and do forecasting ahead. And then farmers need to make those decisions immediately. We've seen also where there's a bigger management structure, it sometimes takes longer to make decisions, and farmers need to make sure that those structures are in place, that the guy that's on the ground can make a decision immediately to put a system in place or apply a product that is going to help their crop cope with stress.